get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for the new subscribers, my name is Carol Gidinju, and in this channel it's all about homemaking, cleaning motivation and cooking mostly, and also doing a bit of motherhood here and there. So feel most welcome in this community and let's keep growing together.
We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. We both have thoughts of leaving, when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing.
So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some laundry and also deep cleaning my living room, and also doing some outdoor cleaning our shoes and tidying up my outdoor space. I'm also going to be cooking and baking. So keep tuned till the last minute to watch, and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed into this channel. Feel most welcome, and let's watch the video till the last minute.
And on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
I don't wanna say anything, 'cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen.
In the toilet cleaning today is just some maintenance that I do daily. That's scrubbing the toilet bowl and also washing the toilet sitting area plus the floors. That's what I do on a daily basis, even on the sink. But I told you guys I deep clean the toilet either twice or thrice in a week. That's deep cleaning includes the walls, the sitan, and everything around the bathroom.
I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye?
always rinse the bathroom floors and the sitting area of the toilet with some bleach to disinfect it. So guys, I really avoid using some strong detergent because I have small kids who always enters that bathroom and they want to touch everywhere. So I'm very cautious about using any heavy detergent that can harm them.
Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run?
I was doing laundry in between the chores, so I'm offloading the second batch of laundry, then go and hang it as I leave the third one going on.
Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye? Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you?
Back in the living room, I want to do a deep cleaning here because it was due for a deep cleaning, and I'm just going to mop using hot water, some Vim scoring powder, some bleach, and some powder soap to clean the floors. I'm going to use hot water because it was the day that I use hot water on my floors.
Me tonight, if I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide? Would that make you run and hide?
Guys, I keep buying crayons and pencils that you cannot trace where they are, and also pegs. Kumbe, they are always under these seats. And whenever I clean, I get them, put them back together, but in a few days, they are missing again. As I wait for the areas that I've cleaned in the house to dry, let me go ahead and soak up these shoes before going back and finishing up with the areas that I've not touched in the living room. I'm done with the living room. Let me now go ahead and tackle this outside space plus these shoes that have been piling up here.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle.
So guys, I want to bake a banana bread because I feel like I've done so much work today and I want to repay myself with something sweet, and that's a banana cake. So I'm going to write down the ingredients that I've used here so that you guys can also try it out.
That I can lose.
Today I'm going to use this measuring cup. So this is 1 cup, and I also have another one, a half a cup, and another one for a quarter cup that you are going to see as we go on.
Painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year.
I want to go ahead and mix the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients together so that I can mix up everything else together in one bowl. So the purpose of a banana bread is to make the flour moist, not like liquid, a runny liquid. So that's why it's called a banana bread, because we don't use any liquid. So it's only like the sugar, eggs, and the banana that act as the liquids or to moisten the flour.
For no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the...
Since I don't have any baking paper in the house, I'm going to apply all on my baking pan, then dust it off with some flour. Then I'm going to keep it in the freezer for some minutes. So I don't know why I always do that, but I find myself putting the baking tins in the freezer before I start baking.
Moon into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like...
So I'm tapping out this tin to remove the excess air from the cake. Then put it in the oven for 180 degrees for around 60 to 65 minutes. But in my case, I found that 65 minutes were too much. So I ended up taking the cake out of the oven at the 55th mark because it was almost burning.
Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
As always, we must cook in this house, and in today's dinner, we are just going to cook some ugali, eggs, and some sukuma wiki. So what I'm grating there is the leftover ugali. I don't throw that away. I usually grate it to recook it again.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another
thank you guys for watching up to this point, and thank you so much for coming around. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly feel free to do so, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. And if you like this video and any of my other video, kindly don't forget to share it out to your friends and family, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.